Trapezoids. A quadrilateral with at least one pair of sides parallel is a trapezoid. The two parallel sides are the bases of the trapezoid. The altitude is the perpendicular distance between the bases. The legs are the sides joining the parallel sides, and they may be non-parallel. In trapezoid WXYZ, line segments WX and ZY are the bases, and A is the altitude. The legs are line segments ZW and YX. If the legs of a trapezoid are congruent, then the trapezoid is said to be an isosceles trapezoid. Trapezoid A, B, C, D is an example of an isosceles trapezoid. In an isosceles trapezoid, the diagonals are always the same length. Therefore, line segment AC is congruent to line segment BD. Since trapezoid ABCD is an isosceles trapezoid, if we are given that the lengths of the bases are 12 centimeters and 18 centimeters and the altitude is 4 centimeters, we can calculate the length of the legs. We will begin by drawing in two altitudes, one between point A and point E, and another between points B and F. Since line segment AB is parallel to line segment DC, the perpendicular distance between them is constant, and therefore line segment AE and line segment BF are congruent. Because we drew line segments DE and CF as altitudes, the triangles AED and BFC are right triangles. In these two right triangles, the hypotenuse and one leg in one triangle is congruent to the hypotenuse and the leg of the other respectively. Therefore, the triangles are congruent, and corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Thus, line segments AE and FB are the same length. We know that the length of line segment DE plus 12 plus the length of line segment FC must be equal to 18. Letting x equal the length of line segment DE and also the length of line segment FC, we have the equation x plus 12 plus x is equal to 18. Solving for x, we find x is equal to 3. Thus, the length of line segments DE and FC are each 3 centimeters. Now, using the Pythagorean theorem, we will find the length of the legs. Let y be the length of a leg. Then, using a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, with a equal to 4, b equal to 3, and c equal to y, we obtain 4 squared plus 3 squared is equal to y squared. Solving for y, we get y is equal to 5 or y is equal to negative 5. Since y is equal to a length, only the answer of 5 makes sense. Thus, the lengths of the legs of the isosceles trapezoid each measure 5 centimeters.